Multiplication with arrays. Welcome year 3 to maths for today. So you've done the warm-up. Now I know you haven't submitted it to me because it says not to. You're going to keep on going with that warm-up all week long. So what is an array? Look at all these cars here. They're in a line, so they're organized. They're in actually 4 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4. We can call them rows, and they're in columns. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 and 4. We can call that an array. And I can even type that, if my pen let me work here, I can type that 4 rows of 4. I can also say that's 4 multiplied by 4, and that equals, of course, 16. Let's have a look back on our first page. We had some arrays here. We've got basketballs, 3 rows of 4. Here we've got, they look like mini sports stadiums, don't they? We've got 4 rows of 3, and then look at the castles. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4 rows. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This would be 4 rows of 3. Sorry, 4 rows of 6. I found some other arrays around the place. Some jelly babies. 1, 2, 5 rows of 3. Lego, one of my favourite things. 2 rows of 4. The eggs, 3 rows of 2, and of course my very favourite, chocolates. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 rows of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 5 rows of 6. We don't need that type here, so let's ignore that. Okay, so I got the number 12. I love the number 12 because by the time you guys finish year 6, you guys will be 12 years old. And I saw that I could make 1 row of 12. 1 multiplied by 12 is 12. I then decided, well, I can turn that around. I can have 12 rows. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 rows of 1. 12 multiplied by 1, that's 12. I thought to myself, what else can I do with the number 12? I thought I could make 4 rows of 3. So here's 1, 2, 3, if I want to move. Okay, so here's the start of each row. Then I can just go 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4 rows, 3 in each, 4 threes are 12. And of course, I can then inverse that. I can make 3 rows. 1, 2, 3, and in each row I want to have 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. I feel like Yogi Bear here. 1, 2, 3, 4. So I can do that. 3 rows of 4. 3 multiplied by 4. That makes 12. I then kept on going. 2 rows of 6. There's 6 rows of 2. So there's so many different ways of using the number 12 and turning them into an array. So this is your task for today. Look at this number 24. I've got 24 blocks all around here. There are 8 ways of making arrays of 24. Can you find them all? Make sure you record the multiplications as you go. Use your math book. So make sure you draw them. Mathematician is neat and organised. I want to see neat drawings. Challenge yourself now. Can you make any other numbers? Look at the number 30. Maybe the number 36. Look at all the different arrays that you can make for those numbers and upload your work. Looking forward to seeing how you do this, team. You guys are the best.